Hello everyone. It seems to me that you've been checking out my old Jumanji Deluxe video lately. So I thought maybe I could give you an update to that video as I upgrade this to look like this. Or at least I can try. As you can see, my Jumanji Deluxe kit doesn't look anything like the movie, let alone the official kit that was advertised. I thought it was a scam. After a little digging, I found out that there were two versions. One is the one that I got, and the other one was closer to its movie counterpart and a lot pricier. And since I run this channel where I try to custom create, make dioramas, I thought I might as well have some fun with it. So if you like these kind of videos, give it a like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell button so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Now let's start the review with the things I don't like about this kit. I've already said that it's not movie accurate. I only got the rhino play pieces instead of the 4 animals, rhino, elephant, crocodile and monkey pieces. The life chips were made from cardboard. It felt almost like the only thing that was upgraded from the basic cardboard version was this thing I'm working on and the crystal ball in the center that displays the puzzle and plays the iconic drums. And believe me, it gets worse. The pieces doesn't move by itself. There were no animals appearing out of nowhere, but thankfully there was no Van Pelt. And of course, I'm kidding. The truth is, despite it not being movie accurate, we had a lot of fun. The kids enjoyed it a lot, kept them away from their gadgets the whole time we were playing. The rules were quite simple, and you still have a lot of fun if you decide not to play this game following the rulebook to the T. In fact, I think the first time we played it, we left out the spiral challenges, and it was still fun, a lot of fun, and still took a while to finish this game. So I hope this quick review could help you decide which version to buy, whether the very basic cardboard version or this cheaper Jumanji Deluxe one, or the high-end one which costs about $100 more according to Amazon. But one thing I can guarantee though, it is a lot of fun playing this, any version that you buy. It's a great fun for the family when you have a gathering during the holidays that's coming. Yeah, you can take my word for it. We're done. I would be very grateful if you stay to the end for the final reveal. Thank you so much for watching, and see you around next time.